Ee, ndị be anyị bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ ka ndị ntọrị mmadụ si atọrọzikwa mmadụ n'ụlọ be ya, na nke a bụkwa na ijecha na-abata fa amalugo na ịnọghị ya, fa amalugo na ịpụrụ apụ, fee wee gbaa bewu niile okirikiri wee na-eche mgbe ị ebu moto bata, maọbụ mgbe ị eji ọkpa bata, maọbụ mgbe ị emepe geeti be ka ị bata. Ị na-emepe akwa na geeti ka itinye isi ntu a ka fa ncha ya esi wee si n'ime ọfịa ebe fa zoro wee mapụta. Bịakwanụ ka unu nene ife mere ebe anụnwa, na nke anụnwa na-emekwa na Ogbuachi Ukwu nke dị na Delta steeti. Unu makwa na since last year na this year n'ọkwa Delta steeti kpụ ọkụ n'ọnụ n'ife gbasara ndị ntọrị mmadụ, na ndị Fulani agbagokwa anụ Delta steeti okirikiri, ma ndị Delta steeti sokwa atọrọ ụgbọkwa sọsọ ndị Fulani na-atọnya bụ mmadụ, na ndị Delta steeti ụfọdụ sokwa wee na-atọkọsị ndebefa. N'ọkwa ebe a ka a na-ayazikwa ndị ntọrị mmadụ na nke ikpeazụ a. Bịakwanụ ka unu nene ife mere ebe anụnwa ka ị marụkwa ụdị ebe ibi, marụkwa taịn iji abata be kpọrụzikwa ndị nchedebe n'ụlọ be jekwanụ taịnụ aka unu wetakwa egbe nke unu binye getimanụ na-echelughị nche. Ọ ya bịa igbu akwa pipipi ka ịbata, getiman ebula egbe wee bịa mepee elu geeti, maka na nwoke anụnwa ụnụ na-afụ ebe ife zọkwara ya bụ onye nche ya. Ewepụ onye nche ya, ntu akafa ya esi wee heburu nwoke anụnwa n'elu na rie. Enwere ike ka kịta afa na-agba afa ego, na ọ bụrụ na enyeghị ofe ego na fa ya akpanyekwa onye fa buje. Unu makwa na ọ bụghị mmadụ ncha na-eji ije anụnwa nata, na ụfọdụ kafa na-atọrụ fa anatakwa, ụfọdụ kafa na-atọrụ ebunata ndị ahụ n'ozu. Amakwanụ m ife gọọmenti na-eme gbasara ife na-eme na ntọrị mmadụ a na nke ikpeazụ a. Ka hapụ unu ka unu nene ka ife anụnwa si wee mekwana, fụ kafa sikwanụ wee kwanya bụ mgbọ na ọ bụrụkwa obere ife mere ebe a.
Good morning, my name is Harrison Gwamnishu. This is Ogbuachi Ukwu. This video you're about to watch now is Ogbuachi Ukwu. Alright? Just watch it first. Alright. Kudos to the gate man first. The gate man who was able to lock the gate. Now you see, they will hide in the bush. As you're driving to the compound, once they open the gate for you to drive in, they will crawl out and wants to kidnap you. But to God be the glory, this gate man is the hero here. The gate man was able to save the owner of the house. They would have kidnapped him and now be asking for money. Now, between June and July, it has been I don't go talk much. A lot has happened, Now, come like say our people prefer to pay these people, pay ransom when the people get killed, and they fail to do the needful. Very simple. Get able-bodied men, take them to where they won't prepare themselves. Now they know how they want it one. Give them the money. Let them go and live inside this bush. Every time they talk the woman at Enuane estate, the married woman, the husband sold properties, cars, before they release her. She spent 1 week. Are we talking about the 5 people from the real estate company that went to check property in the bush, and they kidnapped them? They paid about 36 million naira. The company even also paid to on their own to be paid. The man kidnapped last 2 weeks. This is supposed going to 3 weeks. Mr. Sunday, Mr. Lucky, around Chukura Street. Till today, they have not released the man. 2 students who went to exam in school and Ogbuachi Polytechnic. A married woman and her friend. She was driving home as a gate man, just like this video you watch now. That was how 2 of them were kidnapped. This is 1 week, almost 1 week now. Last week Thursday, it's going to 1 week now. They are still there. Ubulokiti, 2 of our able men were shot and killed by this same kidnappers. Now, they are not just one set of kidnappers, they are different set of kidnappers, different set of them. Now, if you watch this area now, Ogbuachi Ukwu, Ogbuachi Ukwu, Utulu, Ubulokiti. Utulu is at the other side. Ogbuachi Ukwu, Anyabala. These houses, they are just one-sided. So why can't we go in and do the needful? The military, they are trying, the police are trying, but it requires our effort and the local people to do it. But there's nobody willing to sponsor them. There's nobody willing to sponsor these local people. Nobody is sponsoring these local people. It's only my place now. I say vigilante at my place now. My place vigilante, they set up a board, security board, to be contributing money from the COP. Individuals contributing money to be able to buy materials for the vigilante. But it requires that the locals get support to enable them to go inside this bush. It's not about just going to the bush and coming out. It's about going to the bush and live in the bush with these people. And my brother, 3 weeks, 1 month, result will come. So if you are watching this video and you are from Anocho Shemili, I'm begging in the name of God, because there are people ready to go. I did not just go and come back, ready to live inside this bush. I won't say much because of its social media space. I won't say much, but there are plans already. But they need support from you. Emana for if any more budeni back with you on Odnama. Emana for alone men budeni back with you on Odnama. Our people prefer to secure land. To secure land. Employ security to secure land than securing human lives. What is very, very bad.